Is there an ideal order in which you should attempt your P-level examinations in ACCA? Well, that is open for debate, but here's what I believe works the best for students. To begin with, the first paper at professional level should be strategic business reporting, and there are multiple reasons behind it. For what it's worth, all commerce students, even when they have 9 paper exemptions, have been exposed to accounting, financial reporting in some form or the other in their academic journey. Now, they could be at after 11th standard, after 12th standard, after their graduation, but some knowledge of basic accounting and financial reporting has been passed on to the students. So starting with strategic business reporting basically improves your confidence and gives you the much needed energy at the beginning of your P-level journey. Now, the only thing is that the strategic business reporting SBR paper right now has 96 technical marks and 4 professional marks, which makes it one of the longest papers at the professional level. Now, what should you do after SBR? After SBR, if you have ambitions of writing the audit paper, then the AAA paper should ideally follow the SBR paper. SBR first, followed by AAA later. This will ensure that your effort is reduced to a certain extent. AAA also tests you heavily on accounting standards. So, knowledge of accounting standards that you have gained in SBR can be carried on to the advanced auditing and assurance paper, and AAA after SBR will give you the right kind of confidence and will help you in your preparation. If you're not interested in writing AAA, then SBR could be followed with advanced financial management also. Avoid writing APM after SBR. I'll tell you there's a reason behind it, but advanced financial management is again a technical paper. It also builds upon a lot of basic concepts, some of which a basic idea of financial reporting or financial statements you would have gained in SBR, and that will help you to improve your understanding of advanced financial management. Although not directly correlated with each other, AFM can follow SBR. After that, the second option paper is something that you have to be thoughtful about. Now, if you are specifically interested in building a career in taxation, in UK taxation specifically, then these two papers can be followed with the advanced taxation paper. And after that, see, advanced taxation paper is a paper that relies heavily on memory and your ability to reproduce facts and figures. So if you're good at that, advanced taxation paper could be the right one for you. The last paper I recommend my students to take is strategic business leadership. And there's a reason. SBL or strategic business leadership is a paper which is a culmination of your ACCA journey in the form of a case study. Now, this entire paper is based on one single company and the environment and the conditions and the circumstances of that company, and strategic business leader is a case study which will test you on multiple aspects, right from making certain decisions with respect to starting a new project, to deciding about the advertising campaign, to think about the leadership, to think about internal controls. So AAA, SBR, AFM, all of these subjects which render you with a lot of technical knowledge, strategic business leadership tests your ability to apply this knowledge and lead the organization as a leader yourself. So a lot of topics that you will study in SBL, you will find some connection with another topic that you have already studied in the other P-level papers. And SBL is comprehensive that way. It's a common sense based exam, but it brings in the knowledge from all of these different papers together. I'm not saying it brings in topic for topic or chapter for chapter discussion, but a comprehensive understanding of these papers helps you to become a better student, a better aspirant when you are writing the SBL exam. And if you are someone who wants to write APM, you can pick up APM before SBL. I would say APM and SBL are, in a certain sense, in a very broad sense, they are two sides of the same coin. So APM, I often say, is a technical variant of SBL, is a far more technical variant of SBL. Contrary to popular opinion or popular perception that APM is an advanced version of PM, I would say APM and SBL are two sides of the same coin. So you can plan the order or the strategy for these papers accordingly. If this is not the order you want to pick up, you could even start your professional journey with ATX as the first paper. In rare cases, you can also start with AFM. None of these is potentially a problem, but of course, then the entire plan has to be structured accordingly. If you want to know more about how to attempt the P-level exams, if you want any coaching and training for P-level exams, all you have to do is you have to drop a comment in the chat box below, in the comment section below, and we'll have our experts reaching out to you for guidance. And in general, if you wish to know anything about professional courses, you know you have to reach out to Plutus Education and all your queries will be answered. To know more about ACCA, CMA, CFA, US CPA and all of these courses, please subscribe to the Plutus Education channel and download the Plutus Education app.